A computer motherboard connects and coordinates all hardware components, enabling the system to function properly. My today's video is about top 5 best computer motherboard that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte Computer Motherboard, this AMD socket AM4 motherboard is a robust choice for building high-performance PCs compatible with AMD Ryzen 5000, 4000, and 3000 series processors. It ensures strong computing power for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. The enhanced digital twin 10 plus 3-phase VRM, combined with premium chokes and capacitors, provides stable and efficient power delivery to the CPU, supporting overclocking and sustained workloads. Thermal management is excellent, thanks to enlarged VRM heatsinks with 5W/MK thermal pads and pre-installed I/O armor, keeping temperatures low and assembly hassle-free. Memory performance is also a highlight. Supporting DDR4 across 4 DMM slots with AMD Expo memory module compatibility, it allows high-speed and reliable RAM configurations for demanding applications. Connectivity is comprehensive, featuring Wi-Fi 6, PCIe 4.0, dual M.2 slots, 1 GB LAN, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C ports, offering fast data transfer and versatile device support. Overall, this motherboard balances performance, stability, and expandability for modern PC builds. Now our second product is Asus Computer Motherboard. This AMD AM5 motherboard is built for high-performance AI computing and next-generation desktop builds. Designed to support AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, it provides the power and connectivity needed for demanding applications, from AI workloads to intensive gaming. The enhanced 16+2+1 power design with 80 ASPS power stages, 8-layer PCB, Pro-Cool connectors, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors ensures stable and efficient power delivery, even under heavy loads. This robust setup supports overclocking and sustained performance without compromising system stability. Asus exclusive intelligent features elevate usability and performance, including AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, and AEMP, which simplify setup while optimizing CPU and system efficiency. Advanced overclocking technologies such as Dynamic OC Switcher, Core Flex, and PBO enhancement give enthusiasts precise control over performance tuning. Overall, this motherboard combines cutting-edge AI readiness, superior power architecture, and smart overclocking capabilities, making it an excellent choice for future-proofing high-end AMD desktop systems. Our third product is Asus Computer Motherboard. The Asus ROG Strix AM5 motherboard is engineered for cutting-edge AI computing and high-performance desktop builds. Supporting AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, it delivers the power and connectivity required for demanding AI applications, gaming, and content creation. Its intelligent control suite, Asus exclusive AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, AI networking, and AEMP simplifies setup while optimizing system performance and stability. Advanced ROG Strix overclocking technologies, including Dynamic OC Switcher, Core Flex, asynchronous clock, and PBO enhancement, give enthusiasts precise control over CPU performance. The robust 18+2+2 power design, rated at 110A per stage with dual Pro-Cool 2 connectors, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, ensures stable power delivery for multi-core processors. Thermal management is excellent, with massive heatsinks, an integrated I/O cover, high-conductivity thermal pads, and an L-shaped heat pipe to maintain optimal temperatures. For storage and expansion, it features 3 PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots and 2 PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, each with substantial cooling solutions. Overall, this motherboard combines AI readiness, overclocking potential, and premium build quality for future-proof performance. Now number 4, Asus Computer Motherboard. The Asus AM5 motherboard is a high-performance platform designed for next-generation AI computing and demanding desktop workloads. Compatible with AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, it provides the power and connectivity required for gaming, AI applications, and content creation. Its enhanced 16+2+1 power solution, featuring 80 ASPS power stages, an 8-layer PCB, Pro-Cool connectors, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, ensures stable and efficient power delivery even under heavy multi-core loads. This robust design supports overclocking and sustained high-performance operation. Intelligent Asus exclusive features such as AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, and AEMP simplify setup while optimizing system performance and temperature management. Overclocking technologies like dynamic OC switcher, Core Flex, and PBO enhancement provide enthusiasts with precise control to maximize CPU performance safely. Overall, this motherboard combines cutting-edge AI readiness, stable power architecture, and advanced overclocking features, making it an ideal choice for high-end AMD builds focused on performance, efficiency, and future-proof computing. And our last choice is Asus computer motherboard. The Asus motherboard with Intel LGA 1700 socket is a powerhouse built for modern desktop computing. Compatible with 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Intel Core processors, it supports PCIe 5.0, DDR5 memory, and comes Windows 11 ready, making it ideal for gaming, content creation, and high-performance workloads. Its robust 16+1 DRMOS power design, ProCool sockets, military-grade TUF components, and DG plus VRM ensures stable power delivery, durability, and reliable performance even under heavy multi-core loads. Thermal management is excellent with a comprehensive cooling system that includes VRM heatsinks, a fanless PCH heatsink, M.2 heatsinks, hybrid fan headers, and Fan Expert for utility. Keeping the system cool during intense sessions and networking and connectivity are equally impressive, featuring Wi-Fi 6AX201, Intel i225V 2.5 gigabits LAN, TUF LAN guard, and TurboLAN for ultra-fast and stable connections. Storage and peripheral options are abundant, including 4 M.2/NVMe SSD slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB Gen 2x2 Type-C, and Thunderbolt 4 headers. Overall, this motherboard delivers reliability, speed, and advanced features for next-level computing. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.